Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to restore your WhatsApp chat backup. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple of steps you can simply go ahead and follow to restore WhatsApp chat backup. And in order to go ahead and do so, the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall your WhatsApp. What this does is it simply goes ahead and brings back the last backup instead of the new one, which does bring back your previous messages and so on. The second thing you want to simply go ahead and do is simply go ahead and verify your number. So open your WhatsApp and verify your phone number. It must be the same number used for the backup. The third thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your WhatsApp application, tap on your profile icon, and then head straight down to chats, and then head to chat backup and make sure that you have auto backup on. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.